Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what are the pros and cons of different lawn spreaders? This is a very common question when it comes to applying pesticides or fertilizers in the lawn. Spreaders are usually categorized by broadcast, drop, and hand spreaders. A broadcast spreader does exactly that. It broadcasts the product in large swaths. The most common broadcast spreaders are rotary spreaders that fling the product out as you push the spreader. These are great to use because they can treat large areas faster, allowing you to treat a large yard in very little time. The downside is that, because broadcast spreaders broadcast, it may be harder to use them for precision applications. They also have the potential of spreading product in areas you do not want, like a neighbor's yard, the pavement, or a flower bed. A drop spreader is similar to a broadcast spreader, but instead drops the product below the hopper instead of flinging the product out. Drop spreaders are best suited for precision applications and are better for smaller yards with few obstacles. It also minimizes wind drift. The downside to drop spreaders is that it will take longer to treat a larger yard, and there's a bigger chance to over-apply or have a spotty application if the spreader is not properly calibrated. A hand spreader is a spreader that you hold by hand, and if you're seeing a pattern in the naming of these, you're not alone. Most hand spreaders are broadcast spreaders that will use the same or similar mechanism as a push rotary spreader. As you crank the spreader, a rotary paddle will broadcast the product. These are excellent for treating smaller areas or even landscape beds where you need a small but precise application. Unfortunately, these are not suited for treating large areas because application time will take much longer, resulting in arm fatigue. Your application will be more likely to be inaccurate and have a higher risk of drift because the elevation of the spreader is much higher off the ground. Hopefully this helps when choosing which spreader is best for you. Remember, when it comes to pest control, it's not only about having the right tool for the right job, but also having the right products. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. This is a very common question when it comes to applying pesticides or fertilizers in the lawn. Or in the house. It'd be a good question even if you want to apply them in the house too. Like I want to apply some granule insecticides in my house.